Are live. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Welcome. Hopefully you had a fantastic long weekend. Are we bullish? Are we bearish? What's going on this week? We're going to talk about all of it in this video, in this live stream, I should say. Welcome in, everybody. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us here this morning. Make sure you guys are smashing that like button here on your way in the door. Good morning, everybody. We got some members in the house. I see you, Busta Crypto. Thanks for being a member. Right here on the channel. Luke Denson's in the house. Patriots coin chart just keeps moving up. Yeah, Patriots coin looking good. We talked about that little pre-sale opportunity. BTC boycott Germany. RW, what's happening? Yeah, we're going to talk about the whole Germany stuff. We put a video out early this morning. Guys, I've been up and at it really early this morning. I don't know why. I went to bed last night at like 9:30. I must have needed some sleep. Was super tired, but got up about 5:30 this morning, and we were at it really early. Already got 4 videos recorded. They'll come out later on the channel. Make sure you guys are checking all of those out, of course, throughout the day. But we talked about this $56 million worth of Bitcoin looking to be offloaded by Germany again. So it doesn't look like Germany is done selling their Bitcoin, but there is a silver lining here. The silver lining is it looks as if there's been reports that they're buying back the Bitcoin. That's really not what's happening. What's happening is they are essentially electing to sell it OTC, over the counter, instead of dumping it on the open market, right? Which is what we wanted to see when they offloaded 20% of their Bitcoin in the last couple weeks. This will limit the impact on the price of Bitcoin by not dumping it on the open market. Okay, so that is good news. And if you guys are interested in learning more about that, we'll talk about it throughout the live stream, but highly encourage you guys to watch that full video that is out on the channel. It was just posted a little over an hour ago right here on my channel. It's titled Breaking Crypto News, 56 million Bitcoin, ? Watch in the next 24 hours. And we talk about some important price points for Bitcoin too, because those are going to be things to watch, the daily and the weekly close with the price of Bitcoin. So if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart right now, sitting at 56K, right now we're waiting to see if we can get up over 58,000. That would be really good on our daily close. And then from the weekly standpoint, you know, this is going to be a big week because last week was pretty brutal with Germany selling off. Obviously, we got the Mt. Gox thing happening as well. You know, the whole thing with Mt. Gox isn't going to be kind of a catalyst that we look at here in the short term. It's really long term. It's going to take us all the way into September, maybe even October. And here's the thing with the Mt. Gox situation in Bitcoin. It's not going to be like a quick sell-off. Everybody gets their Bitcoin back from the whole Mt. Gox thing and sells it right away. That's not what we're really looking at. We're more or less looking at, you know, over time, people are going to have the ability to take profits. However, a lot of these people, in my opinion, I think will be bullish long-term on Bitcoin, and they kind of understand where this thing is going, right? I mean, why would you sell your Bitcoin at 57 when, you know, just recently, you know, back in March, right, we were up there at 71, 72,000. And they know that we're in a bull run, right? So there's a lot of smart people out there, I think, when it comes to the Mt. Gox situation. I'm not too concerned about that either, because all it's going to do is create more of an opportunity for big institutions to buy up the Bitcoin that will be sold off by either Germany or anybody, any creditors from the Mt. Gox situation. This to me is a healthy pullback, and I think if we find a floor here around 57, 58K here for a week or two, I will feel really good about where we are with Bitcoin heading into late this year, right? We're still up 37% on Bitcoin year to date. We're still up in the last year's time frame about 93%. So still looks really solid. We've got Brian Nichols in the house. Brian is a member on the channel. What's up, Brian? Busta Crypto, 1,000 BTC isn't much in the big picture. 100%. Yeah, I mean, the big picture here, that's worth what, $56 million? I mean, if you look at the daily trading volume just alone of Bitcoin, I mean, just in the last 24 hours, we're looking at $33 billion in volume. $33 billion in volume. 581,000 BTC traded just in the last 24 hours. So 1,000 Bitcoin being sold by Germany versus 581,000 Bitcoin being traded in general in the last 24 hours, you're right. I mean, 100% right, Busta. I mean, it's really, really a blip on the radar. So a lot of people making more of this than it should be. And that's why I wanted to put the video out and why I want to talk about it in the live stream, because it's really not that big of a deal. It's not a make or break thing. But people are putting a lot of stock into this. You know, people are, I think, creating, FUD around this. And I don't think it's really warranted at all, really. Joseph Johnson's in the house. What's up, man? Thanks for being a member here on the channel. Appreciate you. Meta Planet Japan bought like 400 million worth of Bitcoin overnight. Very nice. I did not see that, Tom. Sorry, 400 million yen worth of Bitcoin. Okay. That's good stuff. That's good stuff. Let's see here. Grandpa says, hit the like button. Yeah, definitely do that. Helps us out. Good morning from Venice, Florida. Busta, you're in Venice? I like Venice, man. They got some cool little restaurants. Nice little beach town there on the west side of Florida. I like Venice, man. You live there, Busta? Cocoa Beach, Florida. That's where Tom's coming from. Nice. You guys do know we got the Crypto Breakfast Club coming up at 9:30 too, so make sure you guys are locked and loaded for that. That video, by the way, that I mentioned where we talk about Germany selling 56 million over-the-counter sales instead of exchanges, key Bitcoin price targets to watch. We just posted that over on X as well. If you guys aren't following me on X, the link is down below in the description. Highly, highly encourage you guys to do so. I do post a lot of my content over there and a lot of different tweets and things like that. So definitely check us out over there for sure. I am going to go ahead and post our Breakfast Club post. By the way, on the Breakfast Club today, we're talking meme coins, altcoins, what we're buying, what we're looking at. So I am going to go ahead and post that over there. If you guys have not hit that like button, definitely do so. Let's run this thing up over 100. Usually we get 200, 300, 400 people in here. Kind of a slow start this morning, but I'm confident we'll get some more people in here, talk about what's going on, and appreciate everybody for being here. Let's see, that's the best place to find shark teeth. Nice. Mt. Gox is the next wave. Have a plan in all your assets and keep a long-term frame of mind in the overall market. It keeps the emotions down to a minimum. Couldn't agree more. Could not agree more. SpaceX launched today from Cape Canaveral. Nice, 5:20 p.m. Nice. If Bitcoin does not close above 58K today and 60K this week, what kind of downside are we looking at? It's a great question. We still could see some more downside action. We've got some support down there at about 52,000, Joseph. We had mentioned that previously. So that is kind of what we're looking at. Oh, look at this. Busta Crypto just gifted 5 memberships. That is epic. That is awesome. Appreciate you, brother. He just gifted 5 memberships here on the channel. We are going to go ahead and... oh, that's awesome. Nicholas was gifted a membership. Warjohn, Anthony Delgado, Nick, and Bina. So look at that, man. Busta, appreciate you, man. That is awesome. That is awesome. We appreciate you, brother. That's what's up. Show your love and hit the like button. Let's go. I love it. Good morning, Joe. How you doing, man? Congrats on the memberships. Hell yeah. This is the season for altcoins where y'all going big in the majors for the temp dip. Yeah, I think it's time for altcoins 100%. I've been taking a lot of my profits in meme coins and small caps, driving it into larger cap cryptos that I have high conviction in, right? And that RWA narrative, I'm going to have a video out on YouTube later today all about BlackRock and what they're doing with their BUIDL fund, BUIDL, on Ethereum, how big it is for RWA and that narrative. So make sure you guys are on the lookout for that. I did go ahead and pin my X post. Of course, that's coming up at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. You guys do not want to miss the Crypto Breakfast Club today. It's going to be epic. It's going to be a ton of fun. So again, shout out to Busta for gifting 5 memberships. So that's awesome. We appreciate that, man. ETH ETF will be here shortly, and then we will have an epic altcoin season. Yeah, speaking of my high conviction plays in that RWA space, I don't think I finished my thought there. Ondo Finance and Chainlink are the two that I'm really, really focused in on. But I do think this is the season for big cap altcoins in terms of accumulating right now, dollar cost averaging, because eventually these meme coins, you know, they're gonna look solid, but eventually there's gonna be some capital that's gonna rotate back into the top altcoins for sure. And we want to be out ahead of that, right? We don't want to be chasing, we don't want to be chasing that per se when it's too late, when things are already moving. Let's see. What's going on, Knackers? How we doing, man? XRP looking good. Yeah, we got an XRP video coming out later today, too. So be on the lookout for that. We do have an XRP video coming out. In terms of what's going on right now in the overall market, what's up, what's down, that kind of thing. Celestia moving up 13+% right now. Bonk has had another little run, up 5+%. Let's see here. Chainlink is back up over $13, $13.40. Same thing with Injective, up about the same, 4.26%. It's up over $20 again. Ethereum name service has been one I've traded a lot in the past few years. It's up 2.5%. So that's good to see. You know, Brett dipped all the way down to 10 cents and some change. I don't know if you guys saw that. That was a fantastic opportunity with Brett selling off and building back up nicely here today. So we're loving that for sure. Back up to 12 cents, 1.2 billion basically. 1.19 billion. But yeah, we did get a sell-off all the way down to the 1027 level. So that was a really good entry there on Brett. I know a lot of people are interested in Kendu. Kendu's down 22%. Well, actually now 12.5%, but we are finding a floor here, guys. The last 4 days, we have found, I think, a floor here with Kendu right around 100 million. We did spike yesterday back up to 135 million. Coming back down a little bit here today, but still looking really solid there on Kendu, looking to form a little consolidation pattern, perhaps before another big breakout. Ponky's back at 40 cents. We like that. It's been one we've been accumulating and liking. Hey, brother, check out Perpe on Solana. Oh, yeah, Pepe. Pepe's looking really good, Crypto Joe. I like that one a lot. We actually have a review video coming out on Pepe today. sitting at an $88 million market cap. The Chinese Pepe, loving it, looking really solid. I know it's been out for a little while now, a little over a month. Joseph Johnson with a $4 donation. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Do you think Picoin will ever launch? Logan, I don't know, man. A lot of people got a lot of money tied up in that. I never got into it. I've had a lot of friends who are, kind of barely into crypto that are in that. So they must have did a hell of a job with marketing. But I couldn't tell you, man. That's the one where you're mining the Picoin on your phone or whatever. Shibnobi on base has been one we've really, really liked for a while, guys. Had a huge run up on July 5th. It's been coming down the last 2-3 days. Still at a 400K market cap. We called this at 10K. So still a really good gain here on Shibnobi on base. Again, it's a contract ending in BA7F, 400K market cap, almost 400 holders. I still think there's definitely some legs there with Shibnobi on base. So definitely one to look into, especially now on the dip if you're looking for a little play. K9 Finance is still way, way down, sitting at $4 million market cap within the SHIB ecosystem. We talked about Bone yesterday too, the Bone token within the SHIB ecosystem, sitting at 46.5 cents right now. I think that is an absolute steal, even if you're looking at it short term, from now until August, September, October level, or if you're looking at it long term. I really, really like that play. The Bone token at $107 million market cap. That is obviously the governance token within Shibarium. If you want analysis on the charts, guys, I mean, I know you guys are going to be like, oh, you're just selling your stuff. But I mean, I use my trading indicator. This is why I had it built and why I brought it to market. XT Algo, the links are down below. This is what I use for momentum up, momentum down indicators to get the best entry and exit points. Huge discount code, link down below to XT Algo if you're interested in that. Definitely look into it. Yeah, definitely buy Bone on Shibarium. Way less fees, 100%. Bitcoin on base looks like a nice entry right now if you're not already in. I agree, Luke. I mean, not financial advice, right? But I agree. I think there's still legs. I think the word is still slowly getting out. But I mean, I guess that's easy for me to say because I got in at a 10K market cap. Actually, I think my first buy was at 8K. And I bought it at like 10K, 12K, all the way up to like 25K. And now it's sitting at 400K. I've taken some profits along the way, slowly but surely. I've won the trade, but I would love to see Shibnobi on base continue to make some noise. I think it would just be great to get the Shibnobi community back in the green. A lot of those guys got wrecked, including myself. Bitcoin on base is one I really like. It's been hit pretty hard the last few days. Bitcoin on base sitting at 4.5 million. That's another one that's pretty interesting. Working on a little green candle here today. Maybe a reversal candle. But Bitcoin on base. Contract ending in A7CE. $4.53 million market cap. 71,000 holders over there. Pretty crazy. Good volume, 228K. I think that's a very nice entry there on Bitcoin on base, 4.53 million. I'm just scrolling through, guys, trying to leave no stone unturned here, just kind of seeing what's down. Wolf on Solana. We made a play on that. Now, we've already profited a little bit. But Wolf on Solana, sitting at basically $100 million market cap. It flew up almost, yeah, it did. It flew up to a $200 million market cap back on June 21st. This is that whole boys club narrative kind of play. So it's, a 2x away from its all-time high. Launched in June 13th. Really, really high volume still, almost 10 million in daily volume, almost 38,000 holders. It's Landwolf on Solana. Now there's a bunch of them out there. There's a Landwolf on ETH too that looks pretty solid, but Landwolf on Solana I think is even more interesting to me right now. Really like that one. So there's that. A really small cap right now that I think is going to make some noise. I think it's been hit hard. I mean, really hard. Is Apollo FTW. Apollo FTW has been hit brutally hard, but really like it still at these levels. There's another little small cap quick intel, QKNTL, that I still like. Still holding a good amount of that. I've been decimated on Suka. I thought that would do a lot better. TSUKA. I thought that would do a lot better. I've been hit hard on Suka, but I'm still holding. I mean, I've won that trade 8 to 10 times over already, so I'll hold the line there on Suka. I think eventually we could see a reversal there. TokenFi in the RWA space, maybe a smaller cap RWA play that I like. DPay, we've made a really good amount on DPay late last year into this year. That's Devour. We've talked about them on the channel. Really like them a lot. Still holding a moon bag there. Great potential. We had the Fine token. We had the Fine token over on the Crypto Breakfast Club, which that's that pinned link down below there. We had the Fine token on. They've been trending sideways, but eventually I think we could get a breakout there. Really strong community. Bobo on Ethereum, meme coin. It's been hit pretty good. Where's Bobo at? Let's see. I think we're going to get some type of reversal on Bobo, though. It's sitting at 100 million right now. It's on some. It's heading towards some nice support, though. Bobo looks really good for an entry here. None of this is financial advice, guys. I'm just giving you guys my raw thoughts here. Jasmy coin any good? I think it's a nice long-term play. Yeah. The SNG token, swap and go. Is it out yet, SNG? $1.54 million market cap. It's come way down since launch, but it is reversing a little bit. Yeah, I've talked about the SNG token a little bit. I'm familiar with their team. I've actually met their marketing person before. Just really low volume right now, though. $536 is really low volume. And I honestly, I don't like that they're on BNB. I wish they were on Ethereum. That's just me personally. Blast is that new L2. I don't know too much about it, but I know it had a lot of hype around it. What's my thoughts on XRP, XLM at the moment? If there's one that I like more than the other, it's XRP. But it's a long-term play, I think, with either one of those. I don't think you're looking to get rich quick on either one of those plays. But obviously, the tech speaks for itself, and you know they're going to be here for a while. Do you know leverage ratio of the market? Not off the top of my head, Gunik, but I do know about leverage trading with Margex. They're an affiliate of the channel. Links down below in the description. See what I did there? What's your thoughts on PayPay? We just talked about it. I'm going to have a video on PayPay coming out. Their team reached out to me. I've known about them for a while. I actually bought some this morning. I made a play on it. I like getting into these market caps around 100 million when I see that they are solidified. They have high volume, a lot of holders, good market cap to liquidity ratio. All those things check the box. So I think it could be a very, very interesting play. You think Bambit will rise again? Bambit's up a little bit, 7.7%. It's been consolidating for a while. It's been consolidating since June 29th. So I like that, sitting at a 500K market cap. Had a huge run up. Hopefully you took profits on Bambit when it ran up. We talked about that on the channel. This is why you always got to take profits, because then the market took a turn. But Bambit's consolidating, 500K market cap. Volume's a little low, but it's picking up a little bit. Nobody knows, but I do like the consolidation pattern here for the past 10 days. It doesn't look like it can go much lower than this level. It looks like selling pressure has kind of ended, which I like. Guys, if you haven't hit the like button, definitely do so. Yeah, I know about Da Vinci, Jeremy, and Jake talking about PayPay. I've seen them both talk about it a little bit, and I like it. I like it, honestly. Very interesting at sitting at $88 million market cap. Falcon X, Oscar Ramos was talking about it. I don't know much about Falcon X, to be honest. But Oscar's my guy. I got to talk to Oscar, actually. I haven't talked about him, or talked to him in a little bit. I still hold a little bit of Alchemy Pay. It's been disappointing, Ahmed, but it's a longer-term play. I don't own a ton of it. I did decrease my holdings a little bit, but I still own a little bit. Bitcoin to 61K today? Good chance. We shall see. We're at 57 and some change. We'd like to get up over 58,000 on the daily, 60,000 on the weekly. Those are our targets. Love Caspo. Long-term play. Top 5 holding of mine. Zach, appreciate you, man. Thanks for everything from you guys, too. Thanks to you guys for coming in here and allowing me to do this. A lot of FUD right now in the market. Try not to let it bog you down too much. There's a lot of FUD out there. If I only had $100 to put into a coin, what coin would you pick? Logan, that's so hard, man. I mean, what are your goals, right? What are you trying to make with that $100? And do you care if you lose it all? I mean, how much risk do you want to take, right? That's the big question. What are we, about 30 likes away from 100? We should have 100 likes on this live stream, guys. That pinned tweet down below, that pinned link that you see at the bottom of the comment section, guys, that is going to take you right to the Crypto Breakfast Club, which begins at 9:30. We're about a half hour away from that. So make sure you guys are locked and loaded, ready for that, coming up at 9:30. Secure your spot over there. And appreciate all the new people subscribing here this morning. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, definitely do so if you're brand new. Appreciate all the new folks. If you are a new subscriber, let me know. Only put in what you can afford to lose. Don't have to worry about the... Yeah, 100%. It's a very good point. Filecoin bull run prediction. Yeah, I like Filecoin. It's interesting. But I'm more concerned, or not concerned, I'm more interested in some of these other newer digital storage plays, like Arweave. I'd much rather put money into Arweave, smaller market cap, kind of a newer version of Filecoin. That's where I would be looking. You look tired, maybe a little bit. Yeah, I could be a little tired. Hello from New Zealand. What's up, man? I like render quite a bit. Price prediction on render. I don't have a price prediction per se, but I like render a lot for the bull run. How do I invest in meme coins? That's a loaded question. I mean, there's a lot to unpack there. It really depends on the meme coin I'm investing in. Every coin I invest in or token has a specific plan. I never go into it with just, the same idea. I think that's a really important point too. You can't go into it with just, a plan that fits all. It's never like that. Every asset's different. How to buy XDC? Not quite sure. What is XDC? I think I've heard about it, but I can't remember what that is. Bonk is interesting. I think there's some other plays I like a little bit better than Bonk though, personally. But it's still an interesting play, and I still think it'll move up with the overall market, and that's from that standpoint. But I personally like some other plays a little bit more. $100 million Pepe and holding strong. Nice. Have you heard about the BitBot project? No. What is that? Bonk is doing better than other meme coins. Yeah, today I think, right? Today it's looking pretty good. Floki, I like Floki. Definitely a sleeper. Definitely a sleeper. I have heard of Hoppy, yeah, Johnny. I don't know about Draggy, but I have heard of Hoppy. Favorite meme coin right now? I mean, it's hard because they're not all created equal. But I mean, my top 5 that I'm really focused on are kind of larger caps. Pepe, Brett, Bobo, Ponky, and Kendu Inu. Shiba Doge, I think, is dead, as far as I know. A lot of these meme coins die on the vine, guys. I mean, that's just how it works, right? Yeah, I've been outside a lot lately. Got some nice color right now. I can get pretty dark. This ain't even all the way. It's that Serbian and Italian blood. I'm a Shiba Maxi. There you go, Mark. What's up, brother? Hey guys, I'm gonna have to cut this one a little short today. Now listen, we're going to be with the Crypto Breakfast Club in 25 minutes, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. The link is down below. I got to get a few things done. I want to go on a short little walk, get some energy going before our Crypto Breakfast Club. So I'm going to leave the stream here, get a little walk in outside, and fire up for the Breakfast Club. So make sure you guys come back and join us over on that X link that is linked down below, guys. That pin link, that will take you to my post. Set your reminders for 9:30 a.m. Eastern over on X, and I will see you guys in a little less than 25 minutes. I'm going to go on a little walk here, re-energize, drink some water, and I will see you guys over there. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us. Busted Crypto, thanks for gifting those 5 memberships out today. That was awesome. Thank you guys all for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel right here on YouTube if you haven't already. What are you doing? We post videos, shorts, we do live streams Monday through Friday. We're here for you, rocking with you, giving you guys news, insights, and analysis each and every day right here in crypto. So appreciate you guys for rocking with us. I'll see you over at 9:30 on the Crypto Breakfast Club. Pinned comment there. Follow me over on X. We'll see you guys in a little bit.